How to change your Amazon Prime password. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can change your Amazon Prime password, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to change your Amazon Prime's password, all you have to do is go ahead and launch the Amazon Prime application. Right from the Prime app, you will not be able to change your password. So let me tell you this, your Amazon Prime account is your Amazon account. So changing your Amazon Prime's password means changing your Amazon account's password. So to change our Amazon Prime account password, we have to open our Amazon app, which is the regular Amazon app we have. Once you open the regular Amazon app, you will see this type of interface where what you need to do is just come to this account icon. Once you're here on this page, go to your account. Once you go to your account, scroll and then look for login and security and tap on it. Once you go to login and security, over here you will see the password option. Tap the edit button next to password, which means to enter your current password now and then enter the new password you want to change to, and your Amazon account or your Amazon Prime account's password will get successfully changed. That's all it takes to change the password for your overall Amazon and all the Prime services. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.